Looking for a reliable way to back up and migrate your Zoho Mail data? Introducing Regain Zoho Mail Backup and Migration Tool. An advanced software that smoothly takes the backup of complete Zoho Mail account without any data loss or corruption. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain Zoho Mail Backup and Migration Tool. On the search page, open the first website. Here click on the free download button to download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, double-click on the exe file to start the installation procedure. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. After the installation is completed, right-click on the software icon and run it as administrator. This is the user interface of the software. Here besides Zoho Mail you have the option to log in multiple email accounts. To log in your Zoho Mail account, first select Zoho Mail. Then enter the Zoho Mail address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. In case two-step verification is turned on in your Zoho Mail account, use the app password, and then click on the Login button. As a result, all the folders of your Zoho Mail mailbox will be successfully imported on this software. To preview these folders, just click on it, and you will be able to preview all the emails at top right panel. Then click on any email and you will get a preview of it at the bottom right panel. Now, to back up these emails, click on the Export button. In the Export Options window, select the format in which you want to back up your mailbox emails. For now I am selecting the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the output file. And then click on the OK button. Finally click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the backup process will be started and once it's done the output file will be saved on your local directory. Besides backup, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. With this feature, you can directly migrate your mailbox emails to other email clients. For this tutorial, I will log in my Gmail account and migrate the Zoho Mail emails into it. For that, first select the Gmail or G Suite option. Enter Gmail address in the email address field. Enter the correct password in the password field. Make sure to use app password in case two-step verification is turned on. And then click on the Login button. In this window, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started and once it's done, all the mailbox emails will be available on Gmail. Now, to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see the emails have been successfully migrated. So if you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.